In today's digital age, video has become an indispensable tool for communication, education, and entertainment. However, creating high-quality videos can be a daunting task, often requiring specialized skills, expensive software, and significant time investment. This is where AI-powered video creation tools come into play. Traditionally, creating professional-looking videos has been a time-consuming and resource-intensive process. This often involved hiring videographers, editors, and graphic designers, along with purchasing expensive software and equipment. This barrier has often prevented individuals and businesses from effectively utilizing video as a medium for their content. Thankfully, the advent of AI technology has revolutionized the video creation landscape, introducing a new era of accessibility and efficiency. Free AI video creation tools have emerged as powerful solutions, empowering anyone to create stunning videos without extensive technical knowledge or prior experience. One of the leading AI video creation tools is Synthesia. This innovative platform allows you to create videos with realistic talking avatars. Simply choose an avatar from their diverse selection, type in your script, and Synthesia will generate a video of the avatar speaking your words. Whether you're creating explainer videos, product demos, or educational content, Synthesia simplifies the process and delivers professional-looking results. Another remarkable AI video creation tool is Invideo.AI. This versatile platform caters to a wide range of video creation needs, enabling you to combine text, images, and videos to craft compelling narratives. With Invideo.AI, you can create engaging explainer videos, captivating product demos, and shareable social media content, all without the need for advanced editing skills. For those seeking a comprehensive video editing app with an AI-powered script-to-video generator, CapCut is an excellent choice. This powerful tool allows you to transform your scripts into engaging videos, seamlessly integrating editing tools to customize your creation. With CapCut, you can enhance your videos with transitions, music, and visual effects, ensuring your content stands out from the crowd. Invideo is another noteworthy free AI video creation tool that streamlines the process of converting scripts into videos. This user-friendly platform enables you to create videos from text, providing a variety of editing tools to personalize your videos. With Invideo, you can trim clips, add text overlays, and adjust audio levels, ensuring your videos are polished and professional. Steve.AI is an AI video generator that offers a generous free plan, allowing you to create up to 5 videos per month. This feature-rich platform provides a wide range of templates and customization options,